ganda. So ayan na guys, we are back here in Hong Kong. Medyo short trip lang to kasi I was coming from Malaysia for a medical check-up of my parents. And umuwi lang ako ng Pilipinas to change maleta. And then dito na kami sa Hong Kong. One day lang Hong Kong, tapos diretso kami ng China, Guangzhou. Kasi may bagong design ng packaging ng Tevian na I'm excited for you guys to see. From here, sama nyo lang ako kung anong ginagawa namin sa Guangzhou and Hong Kong. Ayan. I get one piece.
Yeah.
And one piece. This is my favorite in Hong Kong. Chong Fan. It's a rice cake, rice roll cake with shrimps. Ito yung with bichu-bichu. Oh my God, Black Americano 7 calories. Sige, go. So, hintay lang namin ngayon yung sundo namin. So, normally in Hong Kong, we have a van. So, abangan lang namin dito sa area na to. So, kasi instead of taking taxi, probably 2 taxi normally. So, ngayon, kinuha lang namin isang van. Kasi maleta namin, tingnan mo. Pakita mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 maleta and 1 small bag. And 4 lang kami. So, tama lang, isang maleta kami. Pero yung isa nito, sa loob ng maleta nito, may isang maleta pa. Sa loob ng maleta na yan, may isa pa maleta. Medyo malamig ngayon, pero hindi naman kalamig-lamigan. So, it's 22 degree right now. So, parang bagyo lang. Sakto lang. Light jacket lang. Ganon. Ah! Siren. Mas malamig. Kasi nasa mainit, no?
等一下以后。
So today we have a quick meeting lang long day sa factory, whole day meeting. How I wish na may extra time kami lagi dito sa China kasi may minisolan, no? Kaso siyempre work lang yung buhay dito sa sa China. Pati kain mamaya sa factory na lang rin. Hindi kami makalakad kasi yung isang tao dito hindi maka-extend. So, kailangan din kami umuwi lahat ng on the dot. Dami ko pa naman gusto puntahan dito sa Park Central. Ganda dito yung mall dito. Alam mo, Guangzhou, in fairness, iba-ibang lugar na puntahan ko dito sa China, Guangzhou is actually one of my favorite. Not just because of the factory. Gusto ko rin yung mga very modern, very advanced yung lugar. So guys, I have little something new. So this is durian pizza. So yeah, I eat durian and I love durian. So apparently here in China they have pizza. Tapos yung laman niya, the topping is durian. The smell is very durian-y. Actually, it smells more like durian candy. It's not like the fresh durian, no? Good. The texture of the durian is really good. Super good. The only problem with eating durian is when you burn. Not like the real durian. I mean, they use the real durian. You can feel the texture is really thick, but the taste and the smell is really like durian candy or durian pancake, no? But it's good. It's good. Pineapple, oh. Golden blessings. Alam mo, dito sa McDo sa China, right now, meron sila blind box. Oh my God, ano kaya laman nito yung blind box nito? Sana ano, ito yung Chinese New Year edition nila. Oh my God! Charot. Crispy fries. Ano to? Crispy fries. Atuk ko.
Sama ka.
Ito yung holiday collection nila. Hindi yung color niya gusto ko. Ano to? Ay, ganda. Dito ba? Yung kabilang side. So we are having dinner. Yeah. Thank you. Definitely the spicy chicken with garlic, yung Sichuan chicken with lachichi. 这个你们没有啊？没有，这个没有啊？这个有啊？这个有辣吗？不辣，不辣。好吃吗？这个好吃。这个好吃 or 这个好吃？一样，一样。Ah, iyang. Oh. Gusto niyo yung fish lang? Yung last time in-order natin yung fish lang or may bamboo shoot?
May bamboo kasi gusto ng bamboo ba?
May bamboo shoot ba yung last time? Dito na lang.
Yes, 1, 2.
Ilan magra-rice?
Guys,
So this one is my favorite restaurant here every time we're here in Guangzhou. The Sichuan flavor is super authentic. Yung pangalan ng restaurant niya is East Sichuan Cuisine. So for appetizer, we have this one, cherry tomato. Yan. With preserved plum. Ano, kiamoy ba yun? Ano to?
kiamoy.
Kiamoy. Yeah, we're not supposed to order this, pero sabi ni ate girl, kailangan ko i-try. So, syempre, maniniwala tayo sa mga local dito. Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito. Kaya pala si ate, panalo ka. Kaya pala pinipilit niya in-order natin to. Ang sarap nito. Parang lasang niya, ano, no?
Kiamoy, straight out. Tapos,
Kasi pinipil nila yung cherry tomato para naka-soak yung, na-absorb yung flavor niya. Ooh. This is my favorite, guys. Super favorite ko talaga to. Suan Chai Yu. Pero, yeah, it's a pickled, sour pickled fish. Ang sarap, ang sarap. So, pilipilit niya kanina pa to, yung mixed vegetable. So, parang, I think parang siya, chop suey.
Right.
Chop suey pero lasang fried rice. Pero the exciting part,
May kalabasa.
may kalabasa. Pero do you know what? Yung Chinese kalabasa, maliit lang siya. Mas close sa atin yung malakit kalabasa.
Ayun na.
Oh! 谢谢. So another favorite of mine sa Sichuan restaurant is definitely the Lachichi, the chicken fillet, nice chicken fillet in dried Sichuan peppercorn or dried chili also. Oh my god, naglalaway na ako. Pero parang feeling ko try ko luto ito sa Manila, my own version na feeling ko kaya ko to. I don't have chicken in chili or chili in chicken, charot. Pero favorite ko to, Lachichi. Super sarap. Sira yung diet ko dito, guys. Pero anyway, sarap. Ito nga, hindi kumain manghang, pero favorite niya to. Favorite mo to, di ba? May bisita. So, since may kasama kami ng mga bata, charot, may kasama kami na hindi kumain manghang, so umorder kami ng lemongrass beef. But this one, it comes with Brussels sprout, which is my favorite also. Kuha kayo, oh. Kain kayo. Kain kayo.
Sabi, unang kagat pa lang.
I'll get the bamboo shoot, the fish.
Ayun pala yung Sichuan pepper, yung kulay green.
Yung bubuo. Pero hindi siya manghang ha. It's more on the numb side. Tama ba ako? Sarap yung sabaw.
遇见，永远将会是我所有。
Check nyo nga kung durian to.
Pati kasi
So after kumain, lakad muna tayo bago bumalik ng hotel. Kasi medyo kasalanan kinain namin eh. Nagsisebo yung labi, no? After kumain.